Select IMA extrusion and pick the subdivision surface to activate it. Then select the edges on the rear wheel arc. Make sure edge selection, extrusion fixed direction, and Y direction are enabled. Left-click and drag in the viewport to resize the extrusion surface. Press space to enter modification mode. Enable affinity and reset the robot to align it to the world X, Y, and Z directions shown in the navigation box. Select the points and scale them together into a straight line by dragging the Y-axis of the robot. Then enable translation and snap the points to the roofline points to match the Y position. Select IMA face cutting and make sure several cuts mode is enabled. Pick the edge of the surface and add 2 edges using the ruler on the right side. Press space to enter modification mode and select points using trap selection. Switch to top view with the navigation box. Move the points with translation to the correct position. Switch to side view using the navigation box and adjust the point height. Rotate the model and switch back to IMA extrusion. Connect the bumper surfaces with the roofline surfaces by clicking on the edges. Make sure edge selection and fill are enabled. Hold Control key to continue with edge selection. Then select IMA face cutting and add 2 edges to the new surface using the ruler on the right side. Press space to enter modification mode. Use the navigation box to switch to side view and adjust the position of points with translation. Select Mesh Lines in the Tools palette and slide the points to align the edges of the mesh to optimize the point distribution. Then select IMA Extrusion and add more surfaces to complete the rear of the car. Pick the edges of the mesh and press Enter to add a surface.